The KOORUI 34-inch curved ultrawide WQHD gaming monitor is a formidable contender in the realm of high-performance displays, designed to deliver an exceptionally immersive experience. Its defining feature is the aggressive 1000R curvature, which matches the natural contour of the human eye, pulling you directly into the heart of the action. The expansive 3440 by 1440 WQHD resolution, spread across a 21:9 aspect ratio, provides a significant visual advantage, offering a broader field of view that standard monitors simply cannot match. This combination of the intense curve and the ultra-wide screen real estate effectively eliminates peripheral distractions, creating a deeply engaging environment whether you are navigating fantastical landscapes or analyzing complex spreadsheets, making it a top-tier ultra-wide curved gaming monitor. Visual performance is where the KOORUI 34ECUC truly shines, boasting a color gamut that brings content to life with remarkable vibrancy. The monitor covers 95% of the DCI P3 color space and an impressive 125% of the sRGB spectrum, ensuring that every hue is reproduced with stunning accuracy and saturation. With a peak brightness of 400 nits, VISA Display HDR 400 certification, and a high 4000:1 contrast ratio, it excels in presenting both brilliantly bright highlights and inky, profound blacks. This spec sheet translates to a real-world viewing experience where games and movies are not just watched, but felt, with deeper insight into dark scenes and a level of detail that makes every frame a masterpiece of 3440 by 1440 resolution clarity. For gamers, this monitor is engineered to provide a supremely smooth and responsive experience that can genuinely impact performance. The high 165Hz refresh rate, achievable via the DisplayPort 1.4 connection, eliminates screen tearing and stuttering, rendering motion with buttery smoothness that is crucial in fast-paced titles. This is perfectly complemented by support for both AMD FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync compatibility, ensuring seamless synchronization with your graphics card. The inclusion of a 1 millisecond MPRT response time alongside dedicated game modes like FPS and RTS presets, a timer, and an on-screen crosshair provides tangible tools to gain a competitive edge and target enemies faster. Beyond pure performance, the KOORUI monitor exhibits thoughtful design and functionality. The stand, inspired by an eagle's wings, is not only aesthetically striking, but also highly ergonomic, offering a full range of tilt, swivel, and 110mm height adjustments for the perfect viewing angle. It is also VISA compatible for mounting. The inclusion of picture-in-picture or PIP and picture-by-picture or PBP modes enhances multitasking capabilities, allowing users to display inputs from two different sources simultaneously. Furthermore, the black equalizer function intelligently brightens dark areas of the screen without overexposing brighter sections, a crucial feature for spotting hidden enemies in shadowy corners. In conclusion, the KOORUI 34-inch curved ultra-wide WQHD monitor presents an outstanding value proposition, packing a high refresh rate, excellent color performance, and a deeply immersive curved design into a competitive package. It successfully bridges the gap between a dedicated gaming machine and a productive workstation. However, it is not without its minor drawbacks. Some users might find the 1000R curvature to be overly aggressive for certain productivity tasks, like graphic design or coding, where straight lines can appear slightly distorted at the edges. Additionally, while the HDR 400 certification is a welcome feature, it cannot replicate the impactful luminance of more advanced HDR implementations found on premium displays. Despite these minor considerations, this monitor stands as an exceptional choice for gamers and professionals seeking a feature-rich ultra-wide experience without a prohibitive cost.